Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on my 2021 Road Glide Special. We're trying a new product from Harley Davidson. It's the LED turn signal light kit. They came out with this to combat Custom Dynamics. Custom Dynamics have kind of been dominating the market in this, but this is the new Harley Davidson one. It just came out this month. I'd like to throw a shout out to Samantha at Precision Harley Davidson in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. She hooked us up with this kit. So it's brand new. So a few guys I know, they do the Custom Dynamics. My buddy Greg has a 2020 Street Glide Special, and he's been running the Custom Dynamics for about a year. He uses the ProBEAMs. That's a great product. We're gonna see how this product compares to that product. I'll probably throw some video in from his bike, so you guys can see what it looks like. And also we'll compare it to the stock. Remember to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. So to start, you're going to take a soft cloth on a slotted screwdriver. You're going to put it inside the tab and twist. The cover should come right off. To remove the stock bulb, push the bulb in and turn it counterclockwise. Take the LED light module and put it in the socket. You're going to push it in and turn it clockwise. Give the module a quarter turn to take the slack out of the wire. Remember to pay attention to the orientation of the sticker. Next, put the module into the directional housing. It's going to take quite a bit of effort to actually make it pop in.
Quarter turn twist. Pop that out. Push your bulb in. Turn. Out. Twist your pigtail. Come up. Lock your bottom.
So here are two pictures of the LED lights installed. This is the stock 2021 Road Glide Special incandescent bulbs. These are the Harley Davidson LED lights. You can tell they have the same halo feature as the Custom Dynamic ProBEAMs. They also change color when the directional is activated. Alright, so here is the side-by-side comparison. The bike on the left has the Custom Dynamics ProBEAMs. The bike on the right has the Harley Davidson LED lights. At the same price point of $109, they're pretty much the same. We couldn't really decide either way which one was better. I guess it all depends if you like Harley equipment or if you like aftermarket parts. Hey you! Remember to hit that subscribe button.
And check out our featured videos.